What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Friday. I love me Fridays. Oh, I love me Fridays. But the shirt against the burn on the neck, it's hurting. It's hurting. I want to give a special acknowledgement to many concerned viewers who've been reaching out to me since the almost tragic and fatal incident that occurred right there on Wednesday morning here at around 6 a.m. at my facility. I'd like to give a special acknowledgement to all those who called the office. Some have my cell phone, reached out on WhatsApp. Some even called my house. I don't have a house line, so that means you call the wife. And yeah, good thing I told her first, right? But I'd like to thank, all you guys for the support and the concern. And it could have went real south, real fast. And thank God I was wearing this. And my gloves. If I wasn't wearing this, I wouldn't be seeing you right now. That's a fact. So tonight starts the Sabbath. Tomorrow during laning, I will be benching Gomel. It's a prayer that one says after recovering from a serious illness, and can also be said or recited in gratitude for completing a dangerous journey. So for example, let's say you were involved in an auto accident and you were seriously injured and you recovered. You bench Gomel. I think it was maybe last year, I was probably on one of my trips. My wife's walking the dogs, and literally feet in front of her, like where that piece of copper is right there in front of me, a tree trunk fell from the tree and landed right there and nearly missed her. She benched Gomel for escaping death. It's like kind of like a Final Destination when you escape death, but death comes for you anyway. But I'm trying to make you guys laugh. Anyway, I'm real thankful for all the support. Thank you guys. And yesterday it was also one lucky viewer, subscriber, purchased what I call liquid ladder. As you can see by this framed limited edition, this is 100 of 100. It was laying right here on top of this pool robot that I got to do a video on so I can get paid. My pool was open 2 days ago. So this was laying right here. And the aftermath is there. The splatter went up there. It went all over the place. It ignited multiple fires. There is literally char marks everywhere, like on my desk. Look. There. That desk. My ball wick caught on fire here. The wood. It's crazy. Really, really crazy. So tomorrow I'll be benching Gomel. And I'd like to give a special thanks to the purchaser. I don't know if he wanted me to mention his name, but the purchaser of Liquid Nail. I am packing it up this morning. It's 10 minutes to 6 here in the morning in the great state of New York. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. I really don't. Damn, I'm a fucking idiot. But learned my lesson. And the schmelter is gone. And we will no longer be doing any schmelting here. Here is the key word. We're going to focus my attention on what I do quite good. HVAC and some pipes. I am about to create a video, a part 2 on standing pilot. We're going to talk about millivolts and how to diagnose a failed gas valve, standing pilot gas valve on your system. I'm going to do that in moments right after I finish this video. And I'm going to put up that video, which will be video number 3, on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training channel. Link right up there or there, depends on how the orientation of this thing reverses, right? I think it's there. I was going to make video number 3, troubleshooting and diagnosing a Takeo switching relay, but I lost the cover, and I'm going to do that next week. I can't find it. I don't know where it is. And we're going to work on this. This is our vertical radiant manifold floor tubing. This is all 3/4 Uponor expansion packs. I got some temperature sensors on here. We're going to measure supply and return temperature and the principle of circulation and low temperature mass, low temperature heating, and how it affects your heating system as far as condensate and how much condensate is created at what temperatures. It's going to be pretty cool. So make sure you check out the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel. We got like 350 subscribers. Not much, but I only launched it about a couple weeks ago, but only put out 2 videos. It's pretty cool. Check it out, guys. We've picked up Modine as another corporate sponsor. They're sending us their hot dog, their hydronic version of it. It's going to be pretty cool. We're going to put it up there for training, and we'll get that poster up there next to US Boiler. It's going to be awesome, guys. I hope you guys have a very blessed Friday or whatever day you're watching this. Hope your day is going great, and enjoy the weekend. And I really thank you all for your support. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. So as I was packing up limited edition liquid ladder, a thought came to me. Why not produce a certificate of authenticity? And Mr. YouTube subscriber who Zelled me the purchase price of $200 for this poster. This 2 copies of the original signed certificate of authenticity are going into your shipment. It's leaving today, and you'll get that in the next couple days by the post office. I thank you for your purchase, and I thank you for the support to the channel. We have one other remaining poster. This is number 99 of 100. I am going to, it's no damage. Yeah, there's no damage to this. This is going up on eBay shortly. I'm probably gonna put it up on eBay today, and I'll put a link in the description box down below. 100% of proceeds from that sale are going to go to charity. So your donation will be a tax-deductible donation. Couldn't find the word I was looking for. So, thank you. And I think this is a nice little touch. It tells the story of how this came to be. And it goes to show you the power of steam. I should have known fucking better. God.